Hi, now we see the characteristics of the big data. After completion of the characteristics, we see the differences between data mining and as well as the big data. See, characteristics. Big data characteristics are divided into 5 V's. So, V1, volume, 2, velocity, 3, variety, 4, variability, and 5, value. These are the 5 different V's of big data. So, volume, velocity, variety, variability, and value. Totally, these are the 5 different V's, are nothing but the characteristics of the big data. Now we see one by one. Number 1, volume. Volume is nothing but the amount of the data. So, volume is nothing but the total percentage of the data, amount of the data. The second one, variety. Variety means big data, as we discussed in our earlier video. Big data is nothing but not singly one single form of the data. It is nothing but multiple collections of the data, the text, audio, video and all. So, it is a multiple collection of the data. Velocity. Velocity is nothing but speed. How speedily the data is growing, how exponentially the data is growing. So it discusses about the data growth. That means within 1 hour, how many number of the postings will be there on YouTube, how many number of the postings will be there on Facebook, how many number of postings will be there on Twitter, and so many number of the social media. So comparatively from 1 hour to another hour, comparatively from 1 second to another second, 1 minute to another minute, the data is exponentially growing. So many number of the users posting their data on the social media. So in which velocity the data is growing, that is nothing but velocity. Okay, so volume, variety, velocity. Okay, and the next one is variability. Variability deals about the constant data and uncertainty in the data. Data is not certain, it is uncertain data. For the prediction, we use such kind of the data. Okay, so the exact prediction we have to make based on the uncertainty of the data. Okay, and what is the last one is nothing but value. So among these kind of the existing of the data, which data is useful for us, which data is valuable for our information, that is nothing but value. So it deals about the valuable data or value of data. So these are the 5 different V's or characteristics of the big data we are having. Okay, and now we see clearly the differences between the data mining and as well as big data. Here we write data mining. Here we write big data. As we all of you know, data mining is nothing but extraction of knowledge. Big data is nothing but high volume of data. Okay, and next we are implementing the statistical analysis the predictive methods, the supervised and unsupervised learning methods and all these things on the small scale in the data mining, whereas all these methods we apply on the large scale. Okay, so actually we can say it gives view of data in small scale. It gives view of data in large scale. Okay, so the next one is nothing but the purpose, the various methods, the purpose of the methods we use. Okay, statistical analysis, classification, clustering on small scale. Here we implement all these methods on large scale. Okay, so next difference is data mining uses only the structured data. We can mine the data from multiple sources in a structured format only. The unstructured format we won't support in the data mining. Whereas in the big data, by default it is unstructured data. It contains both structured, unstructured, semi-structured, multiple forms of the data. So there is no such question arises. Whereas in the data mining, it works on structured data. Example, SQL, DBMS. Okay, here data is structured, unstructured, and finally semi-structured. Okay, so like this, and some more differences now we are going to see. See, this is extraction of the knowledge. Here it is the high volume of the data. It gives the view of the data in the small scale, whereas in the data mining, whereas in big data it is a large scale. So we perform all the techniques, statistical analysis, predictive analysis and all these things on the small data in the data mining, whereas in the big data it is a large scale, we can do all these methods. And next, this data mining always focused on the structured data, whereas in the big data it is focusing on all the three types of the data, structured, unstructured and as well as semi-structured. One more difference here we need to see is what data we want to extract. It uses why to use the data and what is the value of data, etc. Okay, so and the last one, it is nothing but it is a clear vision of extraction on small scale. Clear vision of huge data on large scale. Clear or unclear vision also. Okay, here only clear vision we have, here clear and unclear vision, because the data is uncertainty in sometimes large data, different forms of the data. So like this, the data mining and as well as the big data are differ. Data mining is nothing but extraction of the informative data and knowledge from the multiple data sources, whereas the big data is nothing but huge volume of the data, whereas it is structured, semi-structured and as well as unstructured. See, like this, these two are related and as well as irrelevant and differentiated. Okay, so in our coming videos, we see other methods of the big data and data mining more elaborately. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you.